Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and surprise, surprise, it's another vlog on the same day. I am on my way home. It's about 3:30 and I still don't have any details for my cousin's arrangements, but I know that my uncle will call me as soon as he knows something, or he'll call me today probably. What else? I also found out that I am indeed going to be going to the RSNA again this year, which is fabulous. I really enjoy that, and it's in Chicago, which is fun because I get to see my friend Tracy. Hi Tracy! So sorry, this road is crazy and my little thing is wobbly, so it's just a mess. That's in late November, so that will be a good time, and it's nice. So I can't even register yet. I did reserve the hotel, but I can't register for it yet until that opens in just a couple of days. And the hotel has me as on a wait list, so I might have to mess with that a little bit just to make sure that I get in, because I'd like to stay at the same hotel that I stayed at the last, I think, 2 or 3 years, at least 2 years, maybe 3 years. But it's a nice place, and I enjoy it, so I'm going to try to stay at the same place. And I'm also going to be going to Wisconsin. Gosh, I don't even know. I think it might be August. Pretty sure it's in about a month. I'll be going to Wisconsin for some classes, and that should be pretty cool too. I'm gonna go with the manager on my team. His name is Jake, so it'll be the two of us, and then a lot of other people from our organization will be going as well. So a little bit of traveling coming up, but that's okay. I don't mind. And these are all driving traveling, so that's kind of nice. That's my favorite kind of traveling, really. The Wisconsin one is far. It's like 6 hours, so that'll be kind of a bleh. But it's not too bad. And it's at a good time of year where it's not too cold or anything. But it might be cooler, which is always nice to me. It looked like on that week, the Tuesday, we're going to be pretty busy. And that's funny because I usually try to make my Tuesdays busy when I go places, if it's like a week long or whatever. Seems like Monday is hard to get started, so I try to make that one not so busy. And then Tuesday is a good day to get in there and get your head down and work on stuff and look at stuff and, you know, learn and all of that. And then Wednesday, either I do the same, or I will, so like for the RSNA, I will do that too. When I'm in Chicago, I will book most of my meetings on Tuesday, and then I'll book a little bit on Wednesday, and whatever I can't get in on those 2 days on Thursday. And then Friday, I don't usually schedule anything. I usually come home on Friday. And I think that's the same this year too. I need to see. I need to check it out. My daughter is actually going to be turning 21 around that time too. I need to check on the dates. I was kind of a dingbat and didn't even do that. I didn't pay any attention. I was just scheduling, but maybe I'll look at it and see when all of that is. But it'll be cool. So tonight we're supposed to have alpha class, which will be good. But honestly, if my family said that they didn't want to go, I could easily be talked out of it tonight. And I don't really want to be talked out of it. I get something out of it and I enjoy going. But I'm just kind of pooped and spent from working today, which, you know, it's just always hard when you come back because my head hasn't been in on it. So I'm like trying to sort through all of my emails and get all of my stuff together. And plus, you know, talk with everybody, say hello, and then I had to go in and turn around and put more bereavement in, so that's kind of crazy. It seems insane, and I'm on call right now, so that's kind of an extra whammy. And then I'm supposed to be on call all week, so I'm trying to see if somebody else can help me on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but I don't know. I haven't heard back. I did send an email this morning. I haven't heard back, but I'll follow up tomorrow. And I don't know if we're going to be heading out tomorrow or if we're going to be heading out Wednesday. And if I need to make, well, I will need to make hotel reservations. So, I got some stuff to do. But, I just wanted to start this vlog so that I could say hello to you guys and kind of tell you where I'm at right now with stuff, since I've been so far away, it feels. And I will probably continue this maybe tomorrow after work or whatever, and then I'll put them together. So that's a Monday snapshot. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, it is Tammy and it is Tuesday after work, and I am getting ready to head home. Whew, I have this cute shirt on, and this cute. It has a little cutout in the back with some lace. It's really cute, and I got it at a boutique, and it's a size large. Oh my goodness. Now I'm sure it is a big large because I'm really not wearing larges all the time, but it is still a large and it fits. So I am happy about that. So let's see, I know that I am putting these two vlogs together yesterday morning and today. So between yesterday morning and now, not a ton has happened. A ton hasn't happened, maybe I should say, because we didn't go to Alpha last night. It was just, we have been running so busy, and yesterday Dennis had to go over to his aunt's house, and he left there at 5 thinking that he'd be home in time for 6 to be able to go to class. And traffic was horrendous, and he didn't get home until about 6:15, which would have meant we were late. Katie was tired from having traveled. I was tired from just all the things that are going on in my head and my life and all of that. So we just decided to not go last night. So I know that that wasn't the best decision, but it was the decision, and I'm not feeling guilty about it. So we will pick back up next week is the plan. And it was kind of nice. I knitted and chatted with Dennis and chatted with Katie and chatted with Alex and just had some good family conversations, and that felt better. They did get the arrangements for my cousin. Everything is going to be on Thursday, so we're going to go up there or down there tomorrow, which is Wednesday. We're going to stay until Friday and just be with family and you know, just be there. And my uncle said that we could stay at his house, so that's kind of nice. So we don't have to worry about, there's like a bug flying around here. We don't have to worry about a hotel. But I did tell him that, you know, if he doesn't have the room or if other people want to stay there, we're more than happy to get a hotel, because I don't want them to feel any pressure or anything. So we'll see how that goes and play it by ear, but either way, we're good. And I think we'll just leave in the morning and head straight to the funeral home. Oh, I killed that bug thing. Wow, it may have been a mosquito. I'm not sure what it was, but it landed on my leg and I got it. I hate bugs, so that was, but it was like dive bomb in my head, so that was bleh. I know that there's not going to be a Foodie Friday this week, and I'm sorry about that. I had done so many and that was working out great. But I can tell you that this summer with the kids and all of that, I have not been cooking as much, and what I have been making is like tacos and taco salad, and today it's Mississippi chicken. I mean, it's just stuff that you guys have already seen, and I am not making recipes on the same thing that I've already made a recipe on. So forgive me for taking a little bit of a break from Foodie Friday. I don't know when it will be back, but I hope that it will be back. I mean, you know, 52 new recipes a year is difficult to do, to tape it and do all of that, just because you know, it's a little different from making a meal and then videoing the meal for YouTube. So they're a little different. Sometimes I just like to make the meal, so forgive me for that. And just so you guys know too, I know that I've had one of my dear friends even said that she doesn't like it when like I'm doing my one sheet wonders and I fast forward through some of it. She's like, just show us. And I totally understand that, and I appreciate that you guys want to see the whole process. But I will say that some of them take a long time. So first of all, it's a really long video, and which means it's really hard to download or upload and get on YouTube. At least for me, it takes a really long time and it's difficult to do. So that's one problem. And then another problem is that I don't have that much to say for the whole process, so there's that. And then also, if I'm videoing, that means I can't do anything else. And I do like to listen to Audible, or I like to maybe watch YouTube or listen to something in the background, and I can't do any of that if I am videoing. So I apologize that that's the way that I do those often. I think I just posted one that wasn't like that, I think so, where I just showed the whole process and I did a really quick one. But yeah, I mean, just forgive me if that's the way that you like it. I can appreciate that you do, but hopefully now you understand why I do it that way, because I mean, sometimes even just the process of it is more than one day, because it might take 2 hours to do some of it, or sometimes even if it takes a half an hour, sometimes that's a half an hour that I would rather be doing or need to be doing something else. Maybe not would rather, that doesn't sound very nice, but truly I need to watch, I don't need to, I like to watch YouTube or listen to my audiobooks and all of that too, and I can't do both at the same time unless I fast forward. So that is partially why I do it that way. And I just don't have a ton to talk about every day. I'm not that interesting. But I really appreciate you guys, and I know that it's coming from a great place. I just wanted to share with you my reasoning so that you would know that that too is coming from a good place. And it doesn't have anything to do with me not wanting to share it. It's just, I choose not to sometimes. So what else is new? I think tonight I might do my Plan With Me's, maybe just to have them so that they're ready for Sunday. I may wait until Saturday to do them. I haven't totally decided what I'm going to do when I get home. Some of that is based on my kids too, what they have. Alex and I made a list of things that we need to do before he leaves, which is just over a week now, which is insane to me. Like a week and a half he leaves. So he went to the doctor today. He did get his, I think I mentioned it, a form to fill out because he has allergies, and the doctor signed off on his paper because he's one of 2 dorms that doesn't have air conditioning. So he got that form filled out. So now we have to pay $300 to get to, I mean, that covers the electricity, they say, and then also we have to get an air conditioner. So there's that, but he also got his immunizations all done and taken care of, and so he will be in good shape to start once it's time. And he leaves on the 29th, which is crazy fast. And Dennis found out that his Thompson family reunion is in September, so I have that written down on the calendar, and we are planning to go to that. Planning to crash that. I'm teasing. Not really. With his family, I think we would not be crashing it. It'll probably already be pretty crazy. It's funny, but yeah, it should be an interesting time for sure. And that's in September, so there's that. And then in October, I am going to do a 5K with my daughter. Now I'm just going to walk it, but hey, you have to start somewhere, right? So I'm kind of excited about doing that with her. It's for family weekend, and it's actually her dad's weekend, like his turn to do the family weekend, but she said that he isn't going to do that part, so I'll go there for that part anyway. I don't know if I'll stay for the whole thing. We'll see how it works out, but whatever we do, I'm sure it will be fun. So, I'm actually in a really good mood, which is awesome, because I haven't been in a really good mood for a while, just because of everything that's been hitting me. And when I think about things too much, I can easily go, oh no, I have this to do and this to do. And that's more of what it is right now. It's more anxiety, I think, than it is worry or trouble with, things. But it's more of a, oh my goodness, I need to make sure I don't forget this, and I need to make sure I do that, especially with my son. Just because I know that he's a little anxious, and I know that he's not going to tell me, and I know that he's a little worried, and I know he's not going to tell me, and I know he's, so I know all of those in my no zone, but it doesn't make it easier, because right now he can sometimes be a real jerk, frankly, and I know I have to tell myself he's just acting out right now because he's nervous and he's a young man and he's afraid to admit it, or doesn't want to admit it, or doesn't even want to admit it to himself. But I know it's there, so I'm trying to be extra careful. So those kinds of things have me in a different headspace. But right now, like I said, I'm in a really good mood, and dinner will be ready waiting for me, so that's nice. I don't have to worry about that. Sometimes just feeding everybody and making sure everybody is well taken care of kind of plays on me, and I know I don't have to worry about it so much. My kids are young adults. I don't need to worry about it, but I think once a mama, always a mama, and we always still worry about it. And I'm sorry, this lighting is really bad right now. I don't know why, but yeah, gosh, it looks like it's really overcast, but it's not. So that's really weird. Yeah, see, the lighting is already better over here. That is strange. But okay, I am almost home, so I'm gonna let you guys go. But have a wonderful day. I hope that you guys have a great weekend. I will hopefully get this posted very soon, at least in the next day or two at the latest. And I don't know when my next update will be. It will probably not be until next week, because I won't probably vlog while I'm away. But I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.